The Spotify Camp Nou, Europe's largest stadium, is undergoing a transformation that extends beyond its physical renovation, setting a new global standard for technology in sports and entertainment. With a revamped capacity of 105,000 seats and cutting-edge digital innovations, FC Barcelona aims to redefine the stadium experience, delivering something far beyond traditional expectations. Progress continues on Europe's largest stadium, Spotify Camp Nou. This monumental project by FC Barcelona is set to transform the club, revitalizing its image and financial stability. The new stadium will operate 7 days a week, positioning itself as a premier attraction for both tourists and locals in Barcelona. In this video, we'll focus primarily on the progress of the sub-zero levels, which are advancing steadily towards reaching street level projected to happen by the end of January. While the site currently appears chaotic, significant progress has been made in every sector. Many areas now have foundations ready for concrete, paving the way for the next stages. Once these foundational phases are complete, subsequent construction will accelerate, as prefabricated structures will be used, minimizing delays caused by on-site concrete work. The pace of work is encouraging overall. In the stands, many sections are now fitted with new seats, and the finishing touches are being applied to staircases and access points. Inside the stadium, work is progressing in parallel with the exterior, and the installation of the steel pillars for the third tier continues daily. The stadium is gradually taking shape, and as we close out the year, we remain optimistic that by mid-2025, the stadium will be partially open. However, it's crucial to avoid rushing and ensure every detail is executed to perfection. Thank you for watching and for your continued support through your comments. We'll keep you updated on all the latest progress at Barcelona Stadium. Subscribe now and be a part of our stadium-loving family. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and be the first to explore the secrets, stories, and history behind these colossal structures.